Good morning, Daniel Gillespie with the Clarity Crew, and behind me, if you can see it, is a boat ramp, and it's open, and that makes me happy. Not that I could use it today, but if I could, it's open. And I understand that may seem like a small thing to you, and it's really a small thing to a lot of people. In light of all the loss that has taken place in our community and in our world, the loss of loved ones, the loss of jobs, all kinds of disappointment and unmet expectations, and all kinds of change. I understand that the loss of use of a boat ramp is not a big deal, but that's okay. I can be grateful for something small. And the reason I can be grateful for something small is because my understanding of the world, or the Bible's understanding of the world, tells me that each and every blessing comes from God. In fact, James chapter 1 tells us that every good and perfect gift comes from the Father above. And because I don't live in a world that is controlled by chance or random circumstance, each and every blessing, each and every good thing in my life has a source, a common source. And therefore, I have an opportunity to be grateful in every gift, from the smallest of those, like an open boat ramp, to a wonderful family and a church home and salvation. In fact, the Apostle Paul in 1 Thessalonians 5:18 says that we should, in every circumstance, give thanks. We should be thankful people. And so I thought this morning, am I a leader in gratitude? Do I lead with gratitude? And so my charge to myself today, and to you as well, is to lead with gratitude. Be the example to your family, to your friends, to those at work, of gratitude. Lead with gratitude because you have a source. You have a person to whom you can be grateful. So, Daniel Gillespie with the Clarity Crew challenges you today to be encouraged, to be clear, and to be grateful. Have a great day.